Alright, so it's like getting down to about 4 degrees out here right now, and the wind's really picked up, but a little bit of sunshine. I'm gonna fly one more pack, see how it goes. Battery goggles are almost dead. They're chirping at me all the time, so one more pack, we'll see how it goes. Here we are. Oh yeah, let's try to record this DVR and stuff, right? Come on, prop, get going. That's a very inauspicious start. Oh yeah, I can hear you chirping. Why did that not want to go? Please cooperate. Okay, one prop. You're just like grumpy there, aren't you? Oh, I see why. Jammed under the frame. Come on. Yep, there we are. Got stuck on a duct. Yep, that was it. All right, seems to be recording. Here we go. That's flying at least. Ah, come on, come on, come on. Whoops. Oh no, really? Stupid plum tree took me out. Well, I don't know, we'll have to see. Might have enough time left on the goggles to finish this off. Let's see. Oh, there we are. Oh, no, 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 no! Come on, come on. Ah, just about. Alright, I don't know if I've got any juice left on there or not, but the goggles haven't quit, so oh yeah, there's a good head-on collision. You can see that tree or what? Alright. So, yeah, we'll call it quits there. It's getting cold. And my goggles are toast. Oh, I hope that recorded. Whooping in the backyard. Oy. Probably looked like a crazed maniac there, as opposed to one of those sane maniacs.